Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to fix the problem where your Gigabyte Control Center is not opening. One of these methods will definitely help you, so let's get started. Method 1. First, restart your PC. A restart clears temporary files. It also stops programs that are stuck or misbehaving. This gives Windows a clean, fresh start. After the restart, right-click the Gigabyte Control Center. Then click Run as Administrator. Now, check if the app opens. If it is still not opening. Method 2. Now, go to the Start menu. Type Core Isolation. Open it and turn off Memory Integrity. Memory integrity sometimes blocks older or incompatible drivers. That can stop Gigabyte Control Center from loading. After turning it off, try running the app again. Method 3. If the issue continues, go to the Start menu again. Type Installed Apps and open it. In the search bar, type Gigabyte Dynamic Lighting. Click the three dots and uninstall it. In my PC, I have already uninstalled it. Now, restart your PC. After the restart, open the app and check if it works. For many people, this method fixes the issue. Method 4. If it is still not working, here is the next method. Go to Add or Remove Programs. Type Gigabyte Control Center in the search box. Uninstall all the Gigabyte Control Center apps-related apps. After that, go to the official Gigabyte website. Download the latest version of Gigabyte Control Center. Install it and try running it again. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.